Thank you so much for the beautiful presentation. And we will have our proper set of pictorial for this night. So kids, please join Hello Kitty here in front, together with Mommy Angel, Daddy J, and our celebrant. Come on! Hey! Come on, kids! By the way, Hello Kitty, do you prepare a dance or a healthy baby? Yan po rin si Hello Kitty ba? Ito tayo Hello Kitty. Ayan, say hi to Hello Kitty. Hi! Alright. Once again, kids, Hello Kitty, do you prepare a dance presentation for all of you? Alright, so kids, you will dance together with our mascot. Alright, so once again, kids, by the way,
Unta gel, maayo ka nga ehemplo sa imong anak, dayon ka nga unta nga mapadako nimo si Aya nga God-fearing and family-oriented. So, mao na po.